Hello friends. So today I am going to share one of the most underrated traffic source, and this traffic source is useful to those who are having some articles for their products or their, I could say, for their affiliations or for their channels, whatever. So people who are having some kind of blogs or articles, so this platform is useful for them. And by using this platform, one can surely drive a good traffic to their YouTube channel or like affiliated product or anywhere he or she wants. So without wasting our time, let me show you this traffic source. And the name of this traffic source is articlebiz.com. And as name suggests of this website, this is a like paradise for the bloggers, or I could say article writers. Here so many categories are mentioned like arts, food, family, pets, shopping, sports, finance, social, etc. So people across the world are coming and posting their articles, and people who are interested to read some articles, so they also come across from the world, and they are using same platform. Correct. So now, as I mentioned, there is very it is very self-explanatory. I don't need to give another more detailed info about that website. So let me show you some of the examples of articles, how people are posting their articles or like that. So let me open this link. Okay, so the title says the cost leasing versus buying solar panels. So here is the article as you can see. And yeah, most important part, he or she has put their website. Also, I guess this could be their affiliate link. So whatever like articles people are posting over here, along with that, this platform is allowing to post their affiliate product links or their website links. So people who are interested and who have read the traffic, they can surely click on that affiliate link or website or any of the link. So in other way, people can reach their main source, and article writers can get some quality traffic. And also if he or she article writer has put some like affiliated link, then he or she can get some healthy sales. Now let us say many of you are not having some blogs or articles or like that, but in this case what you can do to generate some additional revenue or increasing the chance of the sales, what you can do, let us say you are having some products about some health like keto product which is very famous, or like weight supplementary or health product, or like your niche is somewhere about sports. So now you can find articles on the particular products easily on the Google. Correct. So you can copy a few of the phrase of the from those articles, you can spin it, or you can like twist those paragraphs, and you can paste it over here. So people can read your article, and along with that you can paste your affiliate links over there. This is the main part. So along with your article, people also can click on your affiliate link, and you can drive your audience to those affiliate link, and you can generate some sales. So I have, while researching about the different sales opportunity or traffic opportunity, I have came across this platform. So think it is worth to share with you, because this is not as much of famous like the other platforms. So people who want to increase their chances for getting some sales or traffic can surely try this platform. There is nothing to lose over there. Even your half hour per week, I could say investment, time investment, I could say, can give you handsome return. So thank you again for watching this video. And yeah, I have created this series only for awareness of generating different traffic methods from different sources. So this video series is also helpful to those who are particular into like new to this field, like YouTube or like blogging or like affiliate. So they will come to know about the different sources from where they can generate traffic and sales. Even who are like experienced, they can also use these platforms for some additional revenue. So please support me or encourage me by giving like and subscribe, so I can do more research and put more similar videos which can help you to like get some additional traffic or revenue for your products or like YouTube or blogs. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.